Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse and I am standing up and crafting. I am here with the Glimmer hot foil of the month. This one is called Flower Delivery. Look at that cute Volkswagen bug. I love it. I think it's a Volkswagen bug. It looks like one to me. So you get the bug, you get the shadow, and this is my Glimmer hot foil machine heating up while I'm introducing the Glimmer hot foil of the month. This is in a continuation of me being invited to be part of Spellbinder's Kit Club, and it also comes with some florals with an outline die, a cute mini tag with some drop-ins. So I'm going to glimmer the bug in different colors, and when you join the Glimmer hot foil of the month, you can either do a value where you would do like the small die of the month, large die of the month, and a glimmer, or the entire bundle, or just a glimmer alone. And you can pick and choose each month what you like. You can look at the reveal on the first and go, oh, I want this, this, and this. If you want a bunch of things, it suits you then to do a bundle because it works out better for you. Free shipping. Also with the Glimmer though, you get a free roll, a free hot foil roll. Love. This is a new color, satin rose gold. See, I put the U's on it because I'm getting another roll of this one. This is from the Satin Metallics. See what color it is? Right here on the end. So that one is rose gold. You know I'm waiting on these two. Let me go ahead and cut a piece of foil. Now, I like to use... I do have the trimming system, but in this case, I'm going to just use a pair of scissors, seeing that I'm standing up here doing this. I have a pair of Fiskars just for that reason. This is just like, I don't cut fabric with it, but I use it for paper. I'm in a very tight space doing this, so this is not factory mode anymore. This is me using Hammermill 100-pound cardstock. I will put a link for it because don't have all the information here. I'll show you what it looks like. You can find it on Amazon. Alrighty, so cute. Did I give you a measurement on this thing? Like 3.5 by, is that 1.5? 3.5 by 1.5, okay? That's the shadow. That cuts out the window. There is the little car. I think it's a bug. I'm still saying it's a bug. Going to put it up like this because I want to trim off that excess. I can use that for the sentiments. Love. I'm not the smooth glimmer person. So if you're looking for the professional glimmering, and by the way, I call hot foiling glimmering, okay? Just like people call photocopying Xerox, you know, sticky notes, post-it. I call hot foiling glimmering. I use it interchangeably. It means the same thing, hot foiling, okay? When I think of hot foiling, this is who I'm thinking about, is Spellbinders and the Glimmer machine. I know I have a lot of foil here. I have the die to cut it out anyway, and I'm not going to fight with it. I have my cardstock, have the foil, the pretty side facing up with this, and I'm going to put it like so, turn on my timer, and go. Now, I don't do sandwiches. I get the overfoiling when I do that, so I just leave it like this. But I saw a new technique. May try it here in the video the other day, and I was like, what? So let's see about it. It is pretty much not putting this paper here until the end. So you heat up the plate. You know what? I have not used this navy blue yet, so let's go ahead and take a piece off and get that ready while this is heating. See, this is how I do it at the factory. I continue doing something. I don't sit here and watch it going, oh, is it done? Is it done? No, I'm busy getting ready my next piece. But I'm not going to bore you to tears by going over and over, glimmering a bunch of things together. See, glimmering, hot foiling, glimmering. Have my piece ready, and okay, so that's ready. Let's remove it. Hopefully this goes smooth on camera. There we go. Then I put on my two plates. I got my white plate and that top shim, and I saw that they're going to be coming out with this, that you can buy another set if you need it. Let's say you messed up your set or you just want something new for 23, and run it through your die cut machine slowly. Oh, the Glimmer is liking the Black Platinum 6. Ooh, happy. Super smooth. This is a smooth machine. She has pressure, but she also is smooth. I like it. Maybe that's part of the new and improved. I don't know. I don't think so, but never know. Put it on back. Let it come back up to temperature. Coming up back to temperature, you'll see that green. So right now, it's not ready to glimmer. Hot foil. It's not ready to hot foil. It's not ready to glimmer. So once it is, you'll see that green light. Then you put on your thing. So now let me take my little bug off. I tell you, you can reuse. Oh, okay. So she didn't glimmer so well. Why didn't she glimmer well? I don't mind it though. It has a kind of antique look, but that's not how it's supposed to be. So let's go again. All right, maybe I do need to put a shim on it. Of course, when I'm doing it on camera, everything starts to go wonky. You just don't know. Film a couple videos, then you'll be like, oh, Suzette, I know what you're talking about. Let me get another piece. That can wait. She can hold. Trust me, I've been doing factory mode for a while. I'll go from one to the other and etc. Normally, though, I'm doing this in the kitchen. That's where I like to do all my glimmering. Look at this. Isn't this pretty? Cut off that little excess. Here I am. I'm going to put it like so. I'm going to try that other way. And start it. This now is the hack that I saw recently on a few people's video. And I'm like, what are they doing? Aren't they going to put the paper on? No, they put it on at the end. So let's see. So here it is heating up by itself. No paper. Paper is over here to the side, right there, waiting for it. And you do it at the end. So let's see if this actually works. I saw it in like 2 or 3 videos and I'm like, wait, what just happened? I had to wind it back and look and say, but that's not the way that we were taught. Is this a new way? So I'm trying a new way now with you guys on camera. Machine says that she is ready. You're supposed to now remove it. So you remove it. Then you put the paper on top. Then you put your sandwich. And then you run. So you see what? This is now a different way of doing it. And I saw them getting results. I'm going to see, does it work? Run it through gently. You know why that little knock happened, right? Because I had the car going sideways. I didn't have it at an angle. That looks like a pretty good impression. Let it cool off a little bit. Let it just marinate. All right, let me go ahead and glimmer something else. I'm going to try this one. Obviously, I'm doing factory mode with you guys, but I'm going to edit this video way down so I'm not like boring you to tears. We have pink. We have purple. This is the satin pastel pack. Love. So I haven't played with this one yet. I'm about to play with her now. All right, I'm going to go to pink. I want to do purple, but I'm going to just go pink because I know most of you are going to be like, oh, do the pink, do the pink. I love pink too. Second favorite color, but the purple, that's my favorite. I'll do purple on my own. All right, let's see. Oh, look how thin it is. All right, now the car is ready, but I'm not. So let's, let me just cut a piece. Yes, there is that whole scoring board and measuring, but I don't have the space for it right now. I'm in this video, I'm super tight right now. I'm not going to lie. All right, so I'm going to go like this. I'm going to do it the traditional way. And this time, I'm going to put this on. So now I'm going even more pressure, and let's see if it finishes, because this, I don't know what happened here. Obviously, that didn't have enough. Let's see now when I did this way, what happens. And you see how you can reuse this yellow tape? I tell you, this yellow tape is fantastic. Ooh, okay, okay. Oh, the navy blue is kind of pretty. Look at that. What do you guys think? Ooh, well, so at the end, I put it on, and it worked. So maybe there is something to be said about glimmering in the reverse order than doing it this way. This is the way that most people do it. I don't do it that way because I was getting a lot of overfoiling, but because this didn't foil all the way, that's why I'm doing it like this. And there it is now ready. Let me stop yapping. Can use this for your negative. Love the navy. That's cool. Nice for masculine cards. All right. And run it through. Okay. Let it just sit there. It's pretty though. I'm going to do this one again. Put a little bit of washi. Doing the washi one-handed is like, and when I say washi, it's my yellow tape on that washi holder. See, it's on the washi holder. So that's why I'm calling it washi, because it's on the washi holder now, which is working. So, oh, duh, I have a piece right here. All right, there. Let's do the, not so good though. Overfoiling here. A little bit of weirdness there. But not bad. Not bad. Pretty color though. What do you guys think of that pastel pink? It's pretty. It needs to be on those flowers. Let me get the flowers. I know it's ready. I know. It's ready. Okay, I'm going to tilt my car up a little bit. Tilt. There we go. And tilt my paper a little bit. There we go. Put on my bits. Take this out. Remove my plate. There we go. And run it slowly through your machine. Pretty. Look at that. Glimmered away. All right. Let's go now with the flowers. I am not supposed to be doing factory mode, but here I am doing factory mode with you guys. Alcohol marker paper. If you make a mistake, just flip it over. Use the backside. Nobody will see all of the drama. They won't even, I mean, I guess I can still see here, but I'm going to see if it works. Let's try. Pickup tool. This comes with your Glimmer machine. So sometimes when I'm not ready, I don't engage it yet until I'm ready. Use this. Pick up and go. It doesn't work though if it's too heavy. Like if it's a full A2 die, most of the time it's going to be like, drop. And get that ready. We're going to just do the flowers and then that'll be it. I'm going to try it two ways. I want to try it this way. Go ahead. Then I want to try it the other way afterwards. Let's see if both work the same. Gently peel. Ooh, too much. You see what happened? Not good. Oh, wow. Oh, that did not go well at all. Okay, so I have it here and I'm going to come over here and then gently run it through for the flowers. And there we go. Push it back in. Take this off, which is still here. Now I'll do the second one. Second one, I'm going to put it on at the end. Going to put this piece on at the end with the foiling on the back. I know. Let's see how it worked. Let's see if you can do two-sided if you make a mistake on one side and still use the paper. Ooh, pretty. That pastel pink is nice. Because, you know, normally like this, you would end up coloring it in, but you really don't have to here. All right, let's go with this. Let's start the timer so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to put it on at the end. The paper and the plates. And then run it through everything at the end. Once I disengage it. And let's see what happens. I like this pink. Ooh, get a pack of the pastels. Very pretty. Subtle, but pretty. I like that. Subtle and pretty. Ooh. Perfect. Birthday, Valentine's, Mother's Day, etc. Anniversary, graduation. Oh, guys. Yeah. I'm in a mood. Yes, glimmering makes me happy. Remove, put it on. Boom. And then run. Oh gosh, now I just lost everything. All right, I saw one video, I saw it done over this side. Everything on here at the machine. I was like, what? When I saw it, I tell you, I had to wind it back. I'm like, did I just see something different than before? And they're not even saying anything about it. Like, you know, this is a different style. So, so I must have missed the introductory video of this is how to get results. A different way of getting great results for hot foiling. All right, I'm going to let this cool off and turn off. Pretty good. Little hair of overfoiling, just a little hair, but not crazy. Now, normally I don't get any overfoiling. Now I'm getting overfoiling. Why? Ugh, this drives me crazy. Look how pretty that is. Alrighty, moving on. Okay, crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. I know I had a little bit of a rocky point. And I had actually glimmered this after the video because I went back in. I think when I did the first car where it didn't hot foil enough, that was turning on the machine initially. So maybe it didn't get as hot as if I had progressed the video and then done my usual way. Because when I did put on the sandwich, you saw that I got a ton load of overfoiling. When I do hot foiling in my factory mode, I actually start with sentiment, something small, big background, like the wood grain background. This I wouldn't do out the gate. So maybe doing the car was the same thing. I should have maybe waited 3 sessions in and then done the car. Like I would do the background a little bit after doing a couple of sentiments. Am I making sense? Hopefully I'm making sense to you guys. Like, let the machine really warm up and be set, just like an iron. But then if you leave the iron to sit, the heat builds up in it. That's the time to really go for it. That's my takeaway from going in with something that requires the heat to be consistent throughout the plate on the Glimmer machine. Okay? So keep that in mind then. That would be a takeaway tip from my my 2-part tutorial. But what did you guys think about putting on the paper and the hot foil roll at the end? It seemed to work. I gave it a try, but to be honest with you, when I did this, I went back to the initial way of doing the hot foil plate and the paper and just leaving it on my base, and I got these 2 results, which are fabulous. So I'll probably stick with the initial way. You know, it's been working for me. Once it stops working for me, then I'll go the other way. We'll see. We'll see. I'll update you once it gets to that place. Okay, crafters, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. And until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.